Imagine if every box you own had a secret treasure code written on it. No matter what's inside, the code always looks short and mysterious. But here's the twist. Even if you peek inside, you can't turn the code back into the treasure. Sounds strange, right? That's the magic of hashing. Let's find out. Picture this. You and your friends trade item boxes. Each box has unique items inside. But before trading, you stamp a special treasure code on the outside. The code is like a fingerprint for the box. It doesn't show what's inside, but it proves the box hasn't been switched or messed with. If anyone tries to sneak in a fake item, the code will change instantly, and everyone will know. That's what hashing does in the digital world. It takes any piece of information, like a message or a file, and turns it into a unique secret code. The code always looks short and tidy, no matter how big the original thing was. And if even one tiny detail changes inside, the code completely changes too. It's like every box in your game gets its own unbreakable treasure code. Why does this matter to you? Think about your favorite online game. Hashing helps make sure no one cheats by sneaking in fake items. Or imagine sharing a digital drawing. You want your friends to know it's really yours. Hashing protects that. It keeps trade safe, game items fair, and digital treasures trusted. It's the secret guardian of your online adventures. So now you know the magic of hashing and why it's important. Here are the main terms you can remember and share. Hashing is a way to create a unique treasure code from any piece of information. A treasure code is a short, secret code that proves what's inside the box is real. Safe trades are fair exchanges where fake items are caught instantly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.